Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can already tell by the title, I am doing my FabFitFun unboxing, and this is the summer box. About the subscription, if you haven't already seen some of my other videos with the FabFitFun boxes, it is a seasonal subscription box. You get 4 boxes a year. This is the summer box. There's a knife on there. This is the summer box. I've done a couple other videos on my channel doing an unboxing, and I'm really excited. Usually I open the box and kind of peek, but I had not opened the box yet. That's why I have a knife here, so that way I can open it up. Each box is $49.99. So in each box, it carries 300 or more worth of products in here. So you're really going to get your money's worth in one box. You can choose to skip out on a box if you so choose. Here, this is my 4th box, and so I completed a full year subscription. I'm wanting to continue to subscribe to FabFitFun because honestly, I have tried other subscription boxes, and what I like about FabFitFun is it's an all-encompassing box. So it's not just beauty, it's not just food, you know, it's everything in one box, and that's what I really like. So if I had to, you know, of what subscription box they should get, it would be this box. I already know kind of what I'm getting, because you can customize your box a little bit, but then they throw in a couple other items that they throw in everybody's box. So you open it up and they always give you like a little catalog, and it just tells you about this month's box, and it kind of gives you an overview of each item in the box. Usually they give you a Hello Fresh little gift card, but this is for Green Chef, and it's a $90 off plus free shipping to Green Chef. So this is a little different, but they always give you something that includes food, so that one's really fun. Also in here, it is a $50 credit towards Bright Cellars. It's a wine website, which I don't drink wine, but you know, if you drink wine, you get $50 credit. Oh, ooh, I'm seeing fun things. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing here is a necklace. This is called the Giving Keys, and it's their mini collection necklace. And if you can see that, it's like this tiny little key, which is really cute. I just feel like I would maybe want it just like a tad bigger, but that's really cute. So this necklace retails for $45. So you pretty much almost covered your entire box just with this necklace alone. With that little necklace, 45 bucks. Wow. Next thing here is called Winky from Winky Lux, and it is their Eyebrow Pencil. And this is their universal shade pencil, so they claim that it will work for anybody. I have, you know, medium brown eyebrows, so, and I am always having a hard time finding a good eyebrow pencil. So let's see. So you have the pencil up here, and it's like a triangle shape, which I've never used a triangle shape eye pencil before, and then you have your spoolie on the end. So I'm gonna really quickly just swatch this for you. All right, can you see that? So that is what they call their universal shade. I'm gonna try that on my sister tomorrow. So that retails for $16. So here is called Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray, and it is in the scent Fresh. Interesting. This retails for $42. So yeah, we've already completely passed the price of the box itself. The next thing is from Terra Mare. I don't know how to say that name, but good luck with that. It is an aloe and tea tree toner. I've been needing a new toner lately. It says that this is reveal your most beautiful complexion with the genius formula of the aloe and tea tree toner. Clean beauty ingredients work in blah, 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 blah. Okay. This retails for $54. Okay, so just this alone basically covers the price of the box and a little bit more. Next thing I see here is a foot cream. And this is in the scent Sicilian Blood Oranges. And this is from the brand Tart Co. This retails for, let me see if I can find it. This is not in my little handout. I've had one other product before in my box that wasn't actually in this little catalog, but I will look that up and I will leave in the description, let you know how much this is. All right, the next thing is a hand cream, and this is in coconut verbena. Ooh, that sounds like it smells really good. Hold on, I gotta open this here really quick. Oh, it smells really good. And this retails for $18, so it's a really pretty packaging. All right, next we have here is from the brand, I don't know, Hydropeptide. I don't really know what the brand is called. I don't think that's what it's called, but yeah, it's called Hydropeptide, and this is their Moisture Reset facial oil. So that's fun. This retails for $120, guys. Oh my goodness, this is like double and more the price of this box just for this facial oil. That is really cool. Well, I'm gonna definitely give that a try and let you guys know how I like it. The next thing in the box, and this is the one thing that I'm really excited for, this is the Yumi Kim wireless charging pad. This retails for $35. A charger is kind of on the fritz right now, and so my phone isn't charging as well. So I'm hoping that this does the job for me. It's in a really cute pattern. So this is a little charging pad, and it's got really cute flowers on it. I'm excited to try that and let you guys know how it works. That is all that was in my box. Guys, this is so fun. I'm really excited. Guys, I will leave down here and let you guys know total cost of what all the products came up to, and you will see that you definitely get your money's worth with the FabFitFun box subscription. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!